Best homemade drink for weight loss. Take 1 cup of hot water. After the water is thoroughly hot, add all of the additional ingredients listed in this video and thoroughly combine them. When they have all dissolved, allow the liquid to cool somewhat before drinking. I recommend that you consume this drink before night. This will assist your body to perform better while you sleep. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a form of vinegar prepared from crushed apples, yeast, and sugar. It's found in salad dressings, pickles, and marinades, among other things. People have used it as a home cure for anything from combating viruses to reducing heartburn for many years. Recently, research has revealed that apple cider vinegar may have significant health advantages, such as lowering blood sugar levels and aiding in weight reduction. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C has been demonstrated in studies to be an important vitamin in the prevention of many contemporary illnesses. Vitamin C is necessary for bone development, connective tissue healing, and gum health. It also aids the immune system in fighting infections and protects cells from free radical damage. Vitamin C therapy, according to research, helps prevent atherosclerosis by strengthening arterial walls and is beneficial in treating infertility and neurological illnesses such as Alzheimer's. 3. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Because raw honey is antimicrobial and antibacterial, it can be used to heal wounds and infections. You've undoubtedly heard about using hydrogen peroxide to prevent infection on wounds. It turns out that raw honey has an enzyme that creates hydrogen peroxide spontaneously by breaking down glucose, sugar. While you should always see a doctor before taking honey for therapeutic purposes, it can be an excellent natural wound healing aid. 4. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is sweet, certainly, but it can really help you digest your meals better. Cinnamon, like pepper and ginger, promotes the development of bacteria found in prebiotics, which are beneficial to digestion. These prebiotics include microorganisms that assist restore gut health, which helps reduce any chronic or severe digestive disorders. When all of the ways cinnamon benefits the body are considered, one big advantage is heart health. It also lowered blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, all of which can help lower the risk of heart disease. Because heart disease is a leading cause of mortality, avoiding it with cinnamon is a huge gain. Try this drink for approximately a week to see how it works. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos.